Hello traders, today is the 30th of June 2023, end of the week, end of the month, and end of the day, guys. We had amazing blessing Friday, beautiful trade, guys. Let me share with you guys one of the analysis of the euro yen. We had amazing trade. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart and 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader. I'm expecting a price action here, because if you look at the price broke on this level, so we're expecting here sort of price action around this level. So we had this short trade this morning, bank few pp's, and afterwards we also had this beautiful long trade here. My trader started enjoying it, this long beautiful trade on euro yen. And if you look at here, even trading view, this is what I explained to my trader, the price action. That's what I explained. You can see how nicely price respected, beautiful long trade here. Let me share with you guys. First we had a short trade here this morning, bank amazing profit, and then we long. And this is my intraday analysis. You can see here, that was the beautiful. Even before that, we had this beautiful short trade here, long trade here, counter, bank few pp's, and afterwards the market respected this level. I said, guys, look for this symmetry triangle pattern. Probably the market might gonna be one more push before it comes up, which is exactly happened, because we were expecting the price should hit the major support level. So we had this beautiful breakout trade here. You can see here, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So after banking some profit, as based on the 4-hour bias and analysis, we were expecting long. So let's wait for the market to develop structure. So you can see here the price develop another structure, and that's what exactly price nicely broken this previous high. And so we're expecting here any pullback, or if the price gonna break this, then we after that just keep taking a pullback. So based on the 4-hour, as mentioned here in you can see it, we were looking along. So based on that, this is our intraday analysis. Price nicely hit to the profit target based on the 4-hour, and that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, guys. But if you want to enjoy those analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video.